Personal injury cases do vary. They're most often auto accidents, but anytime basically that you suffered an injury that you should not have suffered but for someone else's negligence, right? Then you've got someone that needs to compensate you for that injury. And like, what's a fair compensation? I mean, you think about what happened, right? And I can think of a case where a lady was misprescribed a blood thinning medication, and so therefore, she was noticing just gradual bruises and didn't really know what was going on, and she couldn't do her gardening anymore. And at the end of the day, she was okay. I mean, she didn't die. She didn't have to go to the hospital necessarily, but it interrupted her day-to-day life for a significant period of time, right? It was a while before they could get her blood and everything back to normal because of that, right? And so, something like that, I mean, the insurance company wasn't even really wanting to acknowledge her claim and just, everything's fine, so what? You bruised up a little bit, you're okay, life goes on. And so you want an attorney that's able to, to just get in and be like, look, she couldn't do her gardening. She couldn't do things that she should have been able to do, but for the mistake. And everybody makes mistakes, but that's why insurance companies are, they come in and they'll cover those mistakes to make you whole. That's your right. If you were suffering for an injury because of someone else's negligence and they have insurance to cover that, I mean, that's your right to go in and say, okay, well, this is the monetary amount that the law allows me to receive because of this interruption in my daily life, right? This is my quote unquote pain and suffering. And you definitely, can benefit, and she definitely did benefit from having me help her out.